Have you ever wished you could turn your life stories into a captivating tale? Well, you can. Even if you've never written a word before, it's never too late to start. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of writing your own memoir and show you how fulfilling and rewarding it can be. Did you know that a significant number of seniors express a desire to write but haven't taken the plunge? It's time to change that. Writing your memoir can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience, allowing you to preserve your memories and share your unique perspective with the world. Storytelling is a powerful tool that connects us with others. By sharing your life experiences, you can inspire, educate, and entertain. Your memoir can be a legacy for your loved ones and a valuable contribution globally. It's natural to feel overwhelmed when starting a memoir. Here are some common challenges seniors face and tips to overcome them. Self-doubt. Remind yourself that your stories are unique and valuable. Don't worry about being a perfect writer. Just focus on getting your thoughts down on paper. Lack of time. Set aside a dedicated writing time, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Start small and gradually increase your writing time as you become more comfortable. Feeling overwhelmed. Break down your memoir into smaller sections or chapters. Focus on one section at a time and don't worry about perfection. Here are some tips. Find your inspiration. Think about the most memorable moments in your life and what stories you want to share. Start with a simple outline. This will help you organize your thoughts and structure your memoir. Show, don't tell. Use vivid descriptions and anecdotes to bring your stories to life. Seek feedback. Share your writing with friends or family members for their input and encouragement. Now, it's time for me to lead by example. My father was a shade tree mechanic as a side hustle ever since I can remember. By the time I acquired the rank of toddler, I was Daddy's little helper. One incident that made family lore, shared for decades, is when I was about 4 years old. I had a push-pedal metal car, the kind where the rear axle is a crankshaft. I managed to collect 4 bricks to raise the car up so I could lie on my back and scrunch my way underneath it. My father and his mother were sitting at a table nearby. As my grandmother told it, my feet were flat on the ground, my knees bent. Suddenly I yelled, "Damn it!" My feet were shuffling back and forth, stirring dust as I scrambled to get out from under the car. I stood up, kicked the toy car, and yelled, "Some bitchin' piece of shit!" Of course, my dad started to get up. His mother grabbed his arm and told him,
"Don't you touch that boy. Monkey see, monkey do, monkey act, just like you."
This story came back to me when my granddaughter texted us a photo of my great-grandson handing his father a ratchet wrench. Writing a memoir can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. It's a way to preserve your memories, connect with others, and leave a lasting legacy. So what are you waiting for? Start writing today. Share your own writing experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more writing tips and inspiration. Check out our next video on how to find your writing voice. Remember, it's never too late to start writing. So, grab a pen and paper and let your imagination run wild. Thank you for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?